Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. This is a special video for a special person, special sportsman, special captain, the best of the all. A small tribute to the great one and only legend MSD hashtag Captain Cool. By this video, I would like to thank you for the life lessons which I learned from you. It was, if somebody would have observed you very closely and would have tried to just incorporate bit of things in his or her life, it would have worked wonders. It had done for me. So yeah, the biggest thing which I was able to take from you was staying calm. Only after observing you for 16 damn years, I have been watching you since 2004, since the time you smashed Pakistan with those helicopter shot, long hairs. My god, that was insane. Then again, against Sri Lanka, that innings were just amazing. But with time, I learned so many things from you, and one big thing which helped me amazingly well, and that was staying calm. I've learned the art of staying calm by observing you, because you made me believe that if you can stay calm and if you can have that control over your emotions, you can just do wonders. And that's what helped me in my life when I was going through tough times, adversities. Just because I was observing you so closely, trying to learn from you, I understood that how important it is to stay calm. Don't lose your temper, don't just let that frustration go out. Curb your emotions. So a very big thank you, legend, for passing that legacy on, because it have helped me big time in life, and I know it would have helped so many young generations and so many people over the world, because that is such a amazing thing. Like, when I started staying calm, I understood the power. It was unimaginable. So yeah, a very big thank you for that lesson which I learned from you personally. Second big lesson which I learned from you is trust your instincts. Follow your instincts. Oh my god, that was such an amazing thing to learn from you. You have always been known for trusting your instincts, going with your gut. The one thing which I got in this thing was to believe in yourself. You have to have that belief. If you have the belief that you can do whatever you are desiring for, you have that gut, you have that instinct, you need to go for it. And when you actually proved it, it helped me in life to just stay focused and just believe in myself. And I just knew one thing, that if you have that belief, if you are getting that instinct, just follow that, just trust that, and you will make big one day in life. So yeah, that was something which was amazing, which did wonders for me. Yeah, there are so many things which, you know, people can learn from you. The biggest thing which I learned from you are these two, and the selflessness, humble. That shows how great human being you are, and that is what each one of us need to understand. Wherever you are in life, you have to stay grounded. You have to be humble, no matter what. You have to remember the struggles from where you came, how you conquered the world. So yeah, thanks for passing that legacy on. And yes, thanks for being that unpredictable always. Those that six, that World Cup winning, that was just amazing. Seeing you lift 2007 ICC T20 World Cup trophy, giving the trophy, standing aside. Oh my god, that was so many things to learn out of you. And I was lucky enough that I have observed you so closely over the 16 years, The way you used to do stumpings, that runouts, the unorthodoxness. Oh my god, you just need to believe in yourself. I don't think so. There will be another MSD once again who will be just running the batsman out by just not even looking at the stumps. The speed with which you did the stumping was insane. Running between the wickets, just heads off. Thank you for passing that legacy on. You'll always be there in our hearts. Before ending this video, one thing which I can do is bow down and just thank you, MSD.